In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover unsaved Notepad in Windows 11. So I'm going to show you two different methods and they're quite easy, so just follow along. The first one, what you should do is go down here at the very bottom to the search box and type in run. Now you want to open up run, and from here you want to type in %appdata%. Once you do this, you want to click OK, and this will take you into this folder where there's basically some temporary files. Now, what you should do from here is go to search roaming up here in the box and type in star and then .txt. And after this, you want to click enter, and this will find all your different txt files, so basically your unsaved notepads inside your Windows computer that may not have been saved in the past. So just go through all of these and see in case one of yours is in here. So if you can find it, just open it, and hopefully that's the one you're searching for. If that isn't the case, and this is basically you cannot recover it and you can't find the file you're looking for, what you also can do is remember where you had the last saved version of that file. So in case you haven't saved it, and for example you had it inside the downloads folder, head over here, right click on it, and click on show more options. From here at the very bottom, click on properties, and then click on previous versions up here. In case there's a previous version available, which in my case is not, but if in your case there's a previous version available, open it, load it up, and then inside that previous version folder, you could be able to find your txt document or your notepad document that hasn't been saved. So those are the two methods. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.